Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make vanilla tea cake step by step. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and grease a 9-inch pan, then gather flour, sugar, butter, eggs, milk, baking powder, and vanilla. I'll walk you through creaming butter and sugar, folding dry ingredients gently, and timing the bake so the crumb stays tender. This friendly guide keeps things simple and practical for bakers of all levels. Start by creaming room temperature butter and sugar until the mixture is light and airy. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well after each, then stir in vanilla. Alternate adding the flour mixture and milk to keep the batter smooth and not overmixed. Use a spatula to fold gently at the end, scraping the bowl so everything is evenly combined and your cake will bake up tender and even. Pour batter into your prepared 9-inch pan and smooth the top for even baking. Place it in the center of a preheated oven set to 350 degrees F and bake for about 25 to 35 minutes, checking with a toothpick for doneness. Allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then turn it out onto a wire rack to cool completely before slicing or glazing so the texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.